Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute. Today, I'm gonna show you how to set up proxy settings on WhatsApp. First, go to your App Store and make sure that you are running the latest version of WhatsApp. Click Update when you have to. Once done, go to your WhatsApp, then tap on Settings. Then tap Storage and Data. And now you can see the proxy. Make sure to turn this on to enable you to connect on your WhatsApp. Then, enter your valid IP address and click Save. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.